Okay, so somebody said, "Hey Bruce, I came a long way since the last time I asked you, how can I get into IT? But anyway, I currently in community college for IT. I have some experience working as a student worker in IT department for a community college." That's awesome. Wow. So somebody's taking my advice right here. And also in the public school district, if I get my CCNA combined with the experience in associate and an associate's in IT, could I land a NOC technical network analyst position in a role? Yeah. So, okay, this dude's like really going for it. This is how you do it. So he's trying to get in the door, and the way you do it is just grind. And this dude's doing it. This is what I'm talking about right here. This is how you do it. And I would say, to answer this question, it really depends on the state. Can you get a NOC technician network analyst or junior administrator role? It really depends on the state, but you will be able to get a job. I don't know if it's specifically this role, AO, but you will be able to get a job for sure. I would stake my career on that. Now, depending on how good the job will be or how quickly you can get a job really depends on what state you're in, because some states, I'll just name a couple. Texas is pretty hot for IT. Certain parts of California are hot for IT. Where else? Colorado is hot. Anywhere where there's a big city, any big city, and most big cities have IT jobs that are looking for people like yourself who has experience as a working student, will have an associate's degree, and it's about to get a CCNA. You might even be able to get a remote position, to be honest with you. So the answer is yes. I mean, yes, the answer is yes. Like, a CCNA is no joke. But the hot states, though, you'll be able to get a job much, much faster. This is right here. This dude right here is living proof of how hard work can get you a position. This dude's about to get a position for sure. What did he do? He or she went into information technology in a community college. Why do I say community college? It's just cheaper. Like, you don't know what you're going to do. Why rack yourself up with a bunch of debt when you don't even know if you're going to pursue that career, you know? So start off with a community college, get an associate's degree in information technology. If you choose to do a bachelor's degree, now you can spend less money at a accredited college to get the rest of your credits to get that bachelor's degree, because most of your credits will transfer from the community college to a four-year university. That's what I did. I went to a community college first. I got an associate's degree. I changed career paths. I was in the military at the time. I was in the military as a cop. So I did a security administrator, some BS degree. I mean, I know I'm talking crap about it, but it was a criminal justice degree. It was first started off as a security. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I got an associate's degree, and then I switched it, and then went to a four-year college when I was absolutely certain I wanted to get into IT, and then was able to transfer my credits from the community college to there, and then transfer some of my credits from being in the military over, and then I was able to spend way less money to finish out my degree, and got a bachelor's degree and a bunch of certifications, and then just start leveling up from there, just leveling up. That's how you do it. This dude had no experience before, zero experience, and now he's about to get a CCNA and go get a job.